Alva. Hi, Mo. It's Gizmo Transportation Day, when we celebrate all the great forms of transportation in Gizmo.
Oh, I really love the elevator.
Indeed. It's literally like flying. Let's join the queue, Alva.
You're just mad we're not allowed to ride the elevator on account of the bad things we did the last time.
Well, it's a good thing I got a plan to ruin Gizmo Transportation Day.
This leads to the elevator system. We've tried picking that lock 100 times.
Yeah, sure, but there's nothing stopping me dropping this plumple melon through that grate.
Plumple melons stink real bad.
What mischief?
Ooh, worst smell ever.
Huh? Ew! That does smell really bad.
Oh, my.
I calculate this to be the noxious vapors caused by a plumple melon.
There's only one spot where a plumple melon could be put into the system. The core. Below this grate is the core of the elevator system.
I can confirm the remnants of a particularly stinky plumple melon.
Oh, dear. Transportation Day will be ruined. So when this van gets put in the elevator core room, I'll jump out of the box and jetpack around causing trouble.
And how come you get to have all the fun?
'Cause it's my idea.
Good answer.
Oh.
Greetings! This incredibly high-powered fan is a present from the Oolerific Smell Removal Company. We're new.
My, what fortunate timing.
Maybe a little too convenient.
I need to do something to save Transportation Appreciation Day.
Then I suggest you open the grate and let us get to work.
Very well.
It's working!
I calculate the elevator system to be 99% stink-free.
We'll leave that fan going to make sure it stays clear. Now, let's go to my office to monitor everything with the Gizmotron.
Good idea, Mayor Garth.
Oh.
Okay.
Hello, core room. Let's go cause some mischief. Humble blow. I got the thingamajig that controls the elevator. Oh, look. Oh, wow.
Transportation Day seems to be back on track, Mayor Garth.
Indeed.
I'm definitely never riding the elevator again.
Oh, dear. Now the elevator's offline. Hello. Am I talking to Mayor Garth?
And I think that voice is Skatha.
Yay! Yay! And I have the thingamajig. Ooly kazoolies.
The thing of what now?
The thingamajig controls the whole elevator system.
Oh, now we know why Transportation Day keeps going wrong. And I know this is frustrating for you, but we'll figure it out.
We'll see about that. Hello? Hello? We need to get Skather out of there. But how?
Can we get around the elevator system using jetpacks?
Oh. That's a great idea, Alva.
I'm guessing that's how Skatha got in here. A Trojan horse.
What's that?
A long story. I'll tell you later. For now, let's split up. We'll have a better chance of finding Skatha. We can use Gizglubs to communicate and guide us.
Okay, Alva.
No sign of Skatha here.
Nor here.
I sure can't find him. They may not be able to see me, but I can see them.
Alva's world, fun is never